Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to change email in League of Legends. In order to change your email in a League of Legends, firstly you need to open up your browser. From your browser, in the search panel, type account.riotgames.com, then hit enter. After that, you will be redirected to the login page of Riot Games. Enter your username and password in here. After entering your password, it will ask you for a verification method if you have any. Just enter the code and you're good to go. After entering the code, continue. Now you'll be headed to the account section of League of Legends. From here, under the personal information tab, you will find the email address section. You can choose your email address from here as you wish. Now I've entered a spare email address of mine. Now I have to click on save and verify. Now an email has been sent to the email I have inputted in here. So I'll need to go into the email address to verify my account. Now as you can see, Riot has sent me an email to verify my ID. So I'll just verify my email from here by left clicking. And now my account has been successfully verified with the new email address. Now the email address has been changed and I can use this email on this account.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.